lesson, I will teach you basic but very commonly used Dutch words and build sentences with those words. We have translations in Spanish, Turkish, Arabic, and English. All right. My goal is to make this video accessible to as many people as possible. So therefore, I included a variety of languages. Okay. Without further ado, I'd like to start with the first slide. Let's go. Here we go. I'll change the position of my camera. Okay. It is in Dutch. We say het is. Het is. We tend to pronounce het as ut. Ut. So be aware. Ut is. Ut is. It is here. It is here. Het is here. Or ut is here. And. En. En. Without the T at the end. Okay? En. That is. In Dutch. Dat is. Dat is. Okay? This is. This is. Dit is. So that is dat and this is dit. Now combine the words and add a new one. So we get and that is beautiful in Dutch. En dat is mooi. En dat is mooi. En dat is mooi. Next slide. To go. Important verb. To go. In Dutch. Gaan. Gaan. Be aware the G sound. Difficult for many people. The G sound you make by pushing the back of your tongue to your palate. All right. And then puff the air out. Okay. Like. Gaan. Gaan. It's almost like you're trying to spit. It's not very nice to put it, but maybe the most understandable. Okay? Gaan. I go, ik ga. You go, jij gaat. Good, goed, goed. How, hoe. The H sound different from the G one, okay? Hoe. How are you? Hoe gaat het? Or hoe gaat het met jou? Met jou is with you, okay? Both are correct. I'm fine. I'm fine. Het gaat goed. Or het gaat goed met mij. Okay? With me. Okay. There in Dutch is daar. Daar. What is there? Wat is daar? Wat is daar? Okay. There is the center. There is the center in Dutch. Daar is het centrum. Daar is het centrum. Not. Niet. 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 The center is not there. The center is not there. In Dutch is het centrum is niet daar. Het centrum is niet daar. Okay? Let's continue. Very important verb to be in Dutch is zijn. Irregular. Zijn. Be aware. Zijn. I am. Ik ben. Ik ben. The N at the end. Ik ben. You are here. Jij bent hier. You, but formal, are here. U bent hier. U. Beware. U bent hier. He, she, or it is here. He, she, or it is here. Hij, or zij, or het is hier. We are grumpy. Wij zijn chagrijnig. Wij zijn chagrijnig. Chagrijnig. You all are very happy. Jullie zijn heel blij. Jullie zijn heel blij. They are tired. They are tired. In Dutch. Zij zijn moe. Zij zijn moe. Next slide. Or not. Okay, very commonly used word, right, or a way to express yourself, but not commonly found in textbooks. So therefore, I included it here. Or not. Hey. Nice weather, huh? Nice weather, huh? Lekker weer, hè? Lekker weer, hè? Okay. Be aware that the word lekker has a lot of meanings, but it all depends on the context. All right? But in this sentence, this is translated to lekker weer, hè? Okay. No. In Dutch, nee. Nee. No, it is not nice. Nee, het is niet lekker. When you talk, for example, about the weather. Nee, het is niet lekker. Very. Heel. Very much. A lot. Heel veel. A lot of people. Heel veel mensen. Heel veel mensen. Two. In Dutch. Te. That is too beautiful. That is too beautiful. Dat is te mooi. Dat is te mooi. For. This is for you. Dit is voor jou. Also. Ook. I am also tired. Ik ben ook moe. To want, infinitive. Willen. The N at the end. Okay? Willen. I want. Ik wil. I want that. Ik wil dat. You want this. Wil je dit? What do you want to do? Wat wil je doen? We want to eat here. Wij willen hier eten. To must. Moeten. You must go. Jij moet gaan. I don't have to do anything. Ik moet niks. Okay? What? Wat. With. Met. What to do with myself. Wat moet ik met mezelf? To can, be able to. In Dutch. Kunnen. Can you do that? Kan jij dat? We can also say, kun jij dat? Alright? Both are correct. Okay. I can't do that very well. Ik kan dat niet zo goed. A lot of people can't do this. Veel mensen kunnen dit niet. I can't believe that. Ik kan het niet geloven. But The one I put it here was dat kan ik niet geloven. Alright? Different word order. Dat kan ik niet geloven. But. In Dutch. Maar. Okay? Let's continue. To do. Doen. You must do this. You must do this. Okay? Dit moet jij doen. Dit moet jij doen. But I don't want to do this. But I don't want to do this. Maar dit wil ik niet doen. Maar dit wil ik niet doen. Do it now. Do it now. Doe het nu. Doe het nu. Doe het nu. No, I'll do it later. No, I'll do it later. Nee, ik doe het later. Nee, ik doe het later. The last sentence, guys. And then it's a wrap, okay? They don't do it either. They don't do it either. Zij doen het ook niet. Zij doen het ook niet.